What's going on, everybody? I'm about to pull into another job site. I'm picking up another ASV again. These guys are so hard on these machines. So the story that I got was they were trying to pull it up onto the back of the truck to load it. They got halfway up the ramp. The machine started spitting and sputtering. So they decided to pull down the ramp. And then at that point, it had a bunch of blue smoke that came out of the exhaust. So then they killed the machine via the key, but it didn't kill the machine. It continued to run, and then it eventually killed itself. So I'm not going to fix it or anything. I'm just picking it up, bringing it back to the shop. Okay guys, I think I explained this in the last video I did where I was picking up the ASV RT40. This is a RT25, but if you didn't catch that video, go watch that after this one. But basically what I like to do is take like a 20-foot long chain, run it over the forks, and then that way I can hook it to my front points, my back points, and then I can take the slack of the chain and draw out all the slack. That way you're not dealing with any loose chains, because I used to do this with either 4 individual chains, or I used to do it with, I don't know what they're called, like the cherry picking chains, where they have the middle point that you connect to, and then it has like 4 chains that dangle off of it. I used to lift it with that, but they were too long, and then what would happen is they would fall off the hook as soon as you go to lift it up because it's too much slack in the line. So anyways, this is the best solution that I've found to date, is to get 2 long chains and do it the way I'm showing here. Okay guys, so this is the way that they left the machine whenever I got there to pick it up. They left the boom just right up in the air. I'm not sure why. I guess because they were in the middle of loading it or unloading it, they had to turn off the key so fast I just didn't think about it. But I don't want to transport it like this, so I'm going to get in it and I'm just going to bump the key real quick and lower the boom down, and then shut it right back off. Alright guys, so that is a wrap on the video. We got everything chained down, loaded up. We're going to head back to the shop, let the mechanics take a look at this and get it fixed. So if you guys enjoyed watching it, leave a comment, give it a like, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.